We start with the standard HTML boilerplate. We include the Tailwind CSS script to handle the dark mode styling and button layouts without needing an external CSS file. We set up the main interface. We use a dark gray background for the body and a slightly lighter gray for the editor card. We use Flexbox to center the editor on the screen. This is the toolbar section. We create buttons for basic formatting. Each button has an on-click handler that calls our format function with a specific command string like bold or italic. We add a drop-down for font size and a native color picker input. These inputs pass their current value, this dot value, to their respective JavaScript functions whenever they are changed. We finish the toolbar with utility buttons to wipe the editor clean or download the content as a file. This is the core of the application. Instead of a text area, we use a standard div with the contenteditable equals true attribute. This allows the browser to handle rich text formatting, like bolding specific words, which isn't possible in a standard text area. These functions use the document.exec command API. While older, it is the simplest way to apply rich text formatting to a content-editable element. It handles the complex DOM manipulation required to wrap selected text in bold or span tags. The download function creates a text file in the browser memory. It takes the text content, wraps it in a blob object, creates a temporary invisible link pointing to that blob, and programmatically clicks it to trigger the browser's download prompt.